Hi, I'm Joanie Spencer, Editor-in-Chief of Commercial Baking, and I am here at ASB's BakingTECH in Orlando, Florida. First time out of Chicago, I think ever. And I am catching up with Xochitl Cruz, who is responsible for global operations for Bimbo QSR. And she is also the board chair for ASB, and I am so excited to catch up with you.
Thank you, Joanie.
Xochitl, this is the first time ever that it left Chicago, right?
First time ever after 100 years.
Amazing. Okay, we are on the formulation floor, and let's just take a walk and chat for a minute.
Sure, let's do that.
Okay, so you gave a beautiful opening speech this morning, and you really talked about the resiliency of this organization, and it has transformed in the past couple of years. You talked about the organization's ability to change. How does that impact future generations of the baking industry, bakers and suppliers?
Yeah, well, I think what we are doing of really transforming the way we are presenting BakingTECH is precisely doing that, Joanie. Really, what we want to offer is a very inclusive and diverse, welcoming place that it is for all type of generations, including younger generations to come. And I think it's a way also of paying it forward. We have an obligation to really think about the future generations and what we are doing for them to ensuring that they have a place where they can connect, do networking, learn about all the different things that we have, innovation and technologies. And I think it's about what BakingTECH and ASB is precisely focusing on for this year and for the many years to come.
And you know, what's really important about this is ASB was always known, it's a 100-year-old organization, and it's always been known for its traditions. And you have taken these traditions and really made them adaptable to a younger audience. And I think that it really shows a lot of reverence for the industry veterans who paved the way for us all to be successful right now. And so I think it's really cool that you're doing the same and paying it forward and taking everything that you've learned and turning it into something that is very accessible for future generations. One thing that I want to talk about, we're standing here in the middle of something brand new on formulation floor, which used to be Marketplace, and it is Baker's Row. Can you just kind of tell me what is Baker's Row and how is it serving attendees?
Yeah, what we are trying to do this here is precisely helping what you just mentioned. How do we honor our legacy, right? The foundation of how do we make bread, how it's made. Bread, buns, and rolls. But at the same time, we are trying to provide a little bit of history of our industry and at the same time connecting how these magic ingredients and processes come all into one single place, and we can really understand who is all present in the formulation floor. So for the attendees, they can go and understand, okay, if I want to talk about sodium reduction, I have these options that I can go and visit and the locations where they are for the different ingredients and equipment suppliers.
I love that. And it's broken out by, we have crackers over here, and we've got bread, buns, and rolls over here, and then the tabletop numbers. So it's almost like a table of contents broken out by product type. And then I love like honoring the history, just explaining some of the equipment providers. There's a did you know? Like, this is incredible, and it's exactly what you're talking about, honoring the foundation of ASB while making it really accessible for everyone. This is amazing.
Thank you, Joanie.
I know you will be passing the gavel to Matt Bauer soon, and you are very tiny, but those are some big shoes he's gonna have to fill. Yeah. I cannot wait to see all of these changes continue and really just adapt to the future of the baking industry. Thank you for all you've done for ASB. Thank you for all you do for the industry, and congratulations on such a successful BakingTECH.
Thank you. I'm very honored of serving this industry, and I know Matt will do great, and he's just such a good advocate for the industry, and I know he will be excited of continue the tradition, but also continue to be disruptive in all the changes that we want to do.
Absolutely. Thank you so much, Xochitl.